Hey guys, Tech Lifestyle here, back with another video. Today I'm going to talk about XDC, and I got a little video to play you where there's so many people that are going to come, organizations, wealth managers, funding banks that are going to be attending the event tomorrow and Friday, I believe it is, in Hertfordshire, where they're going to be discussing the future of trade finance and implementing some of the things they're going to be demonstrating, some of the technologies that are going to be used. XDC has come up twice in that particular video. Anyway, so let me go back a little bit further. This came out on the 17th of August, a little while back. However, XDC Network is a highly interoperable hybrid blockchain platform that supports global trade and finance. It is honored to have been selected as the first blockchain company to join the Global Trade Finance Distribution (TFD) initiative as a consortium of trade organization, credit insurers, and institutional funders on a mission to boost automation and transparency in the trade asset and risk distribution. XDC Network was selected to join the trade initiative by the fintech veteran Andre Casterman, whose impressive track record includes over 20 years at Swift, leading various technology innovations in interbank payments and cooperative payments, corporate treasury, and trade finance. Casterman is responsible for spearheading the trade initiative. In welcoming the XDC Network, Casterman, who is also chair of the FinTech Committee, to had national, I'm not sure if I said that right, trade and Fortificating, sorry, I didn't know if I said that right, sorry, my dyslexia kicked in, Association, IFTA, said trade initiative provides the most comprehensive set of trade distribution capabilities. We welcome XDC Network to trade initiative as this enables the bridge us to the US 19 trillion trade finance asset class with any type of through tokenization and digital assets. All right, any type of through tokenization and digital assets. So let me go and play you that video, guys. Right, they're not just coming to the UK for the sake of it. They're not, this is not, and remember as well, this all kicked off with royal assent on XCC being given royal assent back in September, and they're now having this big old meeting with loads of different organizations, Deutsche Bank, Standard Bank, Standard Charter, and all these big international organizations, HSBC, attending this event, brokers, insurers, and all these other big conglomerates in the world. It's not just happening. We are in a digital world, and I think hopefully once you read the video, and I'm going to keep an eye on this because I'm sure they're going to be putting an awful lot of stuff out. Hopefully they'll do maybe a live stream. If they don't, then maybe they'll put something out on YouTube, but I will keep a look at this anyway. Yeah.
Innovations that are of importance for our target audience, banks, alternative lenders, and institutional investors. The Investor Day is all about demonstrating how we, as an industry on the trade side, can attract more institutional liquidity into the market. And to attract this liquidity, we need to help the originators implement the originate and distribute market practice that trade tech enables. But it's not just about, indeed, the distribution technology that trade tech offers. It's also about additional technologies that originators are using on the origination side, indeed, with their clients to source transactions, and additional technologies that are being used on the distribution side, like tokenization. And during the Investor Day, indeed, we're going to have the XDC Network team also presenting how much they are focusing on trade finance and the tokenization of trade finance to grow the community of investors and to enable investment products to become much more accessible to new investors, including, in the end, retail investors. All about indeed combining and aligning legal innovations with technology innovations, because technology often cannot be, in trade at least, cannot be used without a certain number of regulatory or legal changes. So focusing indeed on the originate and distribute market practice, we're going to demonstrate to our audience of institutional investors and alternative lenders, in particular, how the origination side is incredibly becoming digital thanks to legal changes in the market. We're going to focus on how the model law for electronic trade document has enabled indeed the UK market to upgrade the English law. This is a change that is going to be effective now in September, indeed, and that offers a legal option for negotiable instruments like bills of exchange and promissory notes, as well as additional documents. But for alternative lenders, it's really about the promissory note and the bill of exchange becoming digital so that they can harmonize legal structures for their supply chain and receivables financing business they are operating with their SME clients. Distribution side, we also have a number of important legal innovations and work with regulators around digital assets and blockchain. And we know countries are progressing at different speed on those two tracks, the MLETR track and the blockchain digital asset track. So we're going to contemplate what can be done today and what are the actual benefits of those changes in the various laws. But definitely thanks to the presence of the ICC United Kingdom Secretary General, Chris Southworth, we're going to go deep into what has been done so far and what's on their radar for the UK to promote this Electronic Trade Document Act that is supporting actually the majority of global trade today, and that now offers indeed kind of a historic moment on the legal side, I must say, now supports indeed a digital option.
Now let's talk about the amazing speaker lineup you've managed to get for this event, the likes of Goldman Sachs Asset Management, Santander Asset Management. We're also going to be hearing lots of case studies as well, aren't we?
Yes, definitely. We have on the origination side large banks and alternative lenders speaking. So examples are indeed Deutsche Bank. We have on the alternative lender side T-Bridge Capital. In addition to originators, because the list has extended, we'll have a busy day. We have liquidity providers like indeed Santander Asset Management, Goldman Sachs Asset Management, and Legal & General, as well as Skybound Capital, for institutional investors who will be indeed sharing their views, following their experience using the TFD initiative market practices, the Trade Tech Hub, and working with originators. They will be feeding back their testimonials as institutional investors active in the distribution space. So originators, banks and alternative lenders, liquidity providers, but we'll also hear from tech platforms, because at the end of the day, the tech is what makes it all automated, seamless, cost-effective, and auditable, of course. And we're going to hear about, indeed, trade tech as a main hub of the TFD initiative to automate and make those trade assets accessible. We're going to also to hear about the partnership between Trade Tech and XDC Network, XDC Network being the platinum sponsor of the Investor Day, and how basically Trade Tech is leveraging the layer 1 blockchain of XDC Network to offer a tokenization option next to the traditional routes, which are securitization. And we're going to also hear from two additional tech companies, XDC Trade Network, which is an add-on on the XDC network to bring liquidity to corporates in the primary space, and Viana Exchange, which is also an additional tech platform that aims to bring liquidity to Indian exporters and bridging with the global world of financial institutions. And we want to share.
And for people across the trade finance industry, why is this event so unique? Why?
So I hope you like that latest XDC update, because I thought it was important to put this one out. It's happening tomorrow. If you happen to be in the area, it's $499 for 495 for Friday's tickets, 20% off. And this is where you'll be staying. Beautiful. Anyway, guys, take care of yourself. Like and subscribe. Digital Lifestyle out. And take care of yourself. Oh, by the way, you must. I just thought I'd show you the XDC chart. It was up a little bit earlier on. It's since dropped. Maybe people are selling it, but at that price, not financial advice, by the way. Nothing I say or do on this channel is financial advice, but you guys can go and check it out for yourself. And there's some of the exchanges you can get it on. I also believe you can get it on Uphold if you have that wallet. BitTruth, I have that one. Very small exchanges at the moment. Not very many big ones apart from BitGet, Bybit, Hitbit. It depends on where you are. I'm not a user of that one, but I'm pretty sure you can get it on Uphold. So I got some Uphold the other day. It's not listed here. Anyway, Digital Lifestyle out.